You lost a child?
Yes, sir.
You lost a child?
Yes, sir.
When?
September last year on the
Come.
10th.
Come. You lost your husband?
Yes, sir.
When?
2001.
You lost your job?
Yes, sir.
Comfort. What's Irogbe?
It's my husband's name.
Irogbe. Irogbe.
Yes, sir.
It's your husband's surname.
Yes,
What does it
sir.
mean?
I did not know his Isha name.
Now in the name of Jesus Christ. The Lord is saying, son, there are people who have been going through losses also. As I'm praying for this woman, this year God will make you happy. You have been going through losses in your life. May Jesus restore all that you have lost. May God visit you. Change your story.